Hi, I'm Michael from Masseuse Massage, here today to talk to you about the awesome Pinnacle Plus Massage Chair. This video in particular is going to talk about the manual massage treatments that you can select when you're sitting in the chair. Basically, it allows you to pick your favorite manual massage mode, put it in the exact spot where you need it most, and I'm going to show you how to do that with this controller. So, when you're in the chair and you've already selected an automatic mode, at any stage you can select this method button. Now that's going to put you into one of 5 manual massage treatments. The first would be kneading, which is exactly like the kneading motion that you get from your favorite massage therapist. It's probably the most deep tissue of all of the settings. The second would be tapping, which is using a rhythmic motion to reduce aches and pains. The third would be a combination of those two, kneading and tapping. The fourth, Shiatsu, which is basically using pressure, applying pressure to particular areas of the body to reduce any tension that you have in those areas. And the fifth would be flapping, which basically is a flapping rhythmic motion to reduce fatigue and tiredness in your muscles. Now, when you've selected any of those modes by using this method button, it's going to be in one spot. You can tell where it is by looking at the light behind the person in the chair. Then you can actually control it and put it exactly where you want it using these arrows. So if I hold the up, it's going to increase the position of the light and put it up closer to my neck and shoulders. I can then do a few things here. I can adjust the speed and the width. Now, every single one of those manual massage treatments that I mentioned, you can adjust the speed. Some of them you can also adjust the width, and it's going to give you that option up on the LED light section here. In addition, what you can do is you can press this back stretch button, which is the picture of the torso between the two arrows. If you press that once, it's basically going to give you a 20 centimeter range in the massage treatment that you selected, in the exact location that you selected, and just keep going up and back for 20 centimeters, wherever you put that. The second time you press it, it's going to basically do a full back massage from the top to the bottom in the speed you selected, the program you selected, etc. One more time is going to focus on the top of your neck and back, and the last time you press it is going to focus it on the bottom. So you have the ability with this, as we said before, to customize the massage to exactly what you need it to do. So for me personally, I would sit in the chair for 20 minutes with the hot stone function on and get a full body automatic program, probably on the relieve treatment. Once I've finished that, I would then go and I'd focus probably on kneading and tapping. I'd put it between my shoulders because that's where I have had most of my injuries from my sporting days, and I would just let it work 20 centimeters up and down on the fastest setting, banging up and down in that one section to give me absolute relief that I need and to make me feel amazing and get a better sleep at night. So I hope that helps. If you ever have any questions, you can always pick up the phone. There are some other videos too to go into a bit more detail on the other parts of the remote control. Have a fantastic day.